Are you tired of feeling rushed and stressed out during the week? Do you wish you had more time to relax and enjoy your meals? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we're going to show you some quick and easy meal prep ideas that are perfect for busy people like you. The key to successful meal prep is to plan ahead and keep it simple. You don't need to spend hours in the kitchen to have healthy, delicious meals throughout the week. All you need is a little bit of planning and some basic ingredients. First up, we have a simple veggie stir-fry. This dish is packed with nutrients and flavor and can be made in under 30 minutes. Just chop up your favorite vegetables, like bell peppers, broccoli, and carrots, and sauté them in a pan with some garlic and ginger. Serve over brown rice or quinoa for a filling and satisfying meal. Cut to a shot of a sheet pan with chicken and vegetables being roasted in the oven. Next, we have a sheet pan meal that requires minimal effort but tastes amazing. Simply toss some chicken breasts with your favorite spices, like paprika and cumin, and place them on a sheet pan with some chopped veggies, like sweet potatoes and Brussels sprouts. Pop it in the oven, and in less than 40 minutes, you'll have a delicious, healthy meal that will last you for days. And finally, we have a smoothie bowl that is perfect for busy mornings. Just blend together some frozen berries, banana, Greek yogurt, and almond milk, and top it off with your favorite toppings, like granola and shredded coconut. It's a quick and easy breakfast that will keep you full and energized all morning long. So there you have it, some quick and easy meal prep ideas that are perfect for busy people like you. With a little bit of planning and some basic ingredients, you can simplify your life and enjoy delicious, healthy meals all week long. Thanks for watching.